Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to reactivate your Facebook account. To reactivate your Facebook account, firstly open Facebook application. Now since you have previously deactivated your Facebook account, all your login information have been deleted from Facebook application. So type all the previous credential of your Facebook account. After that, tap on login. Congratulations, you have successfully reactivated your Facebook account. To know if your account have been reactivated, you will get a notification in your Gmail. Here you can see that your account have been reactivated. So this is how you will be able to reactivate your Facebook account. If you found this video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a like. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press that notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming videos from us. Thank you and see you in next video.